Meet Takashima Mika, a woman who is redefining what it means to age. At over 90 years old, she is not sitting quietly in retirement, nor is she slowing down to watch life pass by. Instead, she stands today as Japan's oldest certified fitness instructor, teaching active classes, leading seniors through movements with remarkable strength and grace, and proving to the world that age is not a barrier. It is simply a number. Her energy is electric, her spirit unshakable, and her message clear. The second half of your life can be the most powerful chapter you ever live. In this video, we are going to uncover the real secrets behind how Takashima Mika became Japan's most respected senior fitness icon, and how you, no matter your age, can begin the same transformation today. Today, Takishima Mika is famous across Japan for her energetic workout videos, her bright smile, and her unshakable belief that anyone can change at any age. She was not always like this. She once lived a typical life as a wife and mother, doing household chores, not thinking much about exercise. But everything changed when she reached her late 60s. Mika began experiencing health issues, fatigue, joint pain, and a deep dissatisfaction with how weak and dependent she felt. Instead of giving up, she made a decision that would alter the course of her entire life. She started moving, not running marathons or lifting heavy weights, but simply beginning where she was, walking, stretching, slow strength movements, and she did them consistently, even when motivation was low. She has said in interviews that the hardest part was not physical, it was mental, the belief that it was too late. But once she took the first step, her body began to respond. Born in Nagasaki, Japan, in the post-war era, Mika grew up in a humble family. She was not a star athlete or a fitness enthusiast in her youth. In fact, exercise was never a major part of her early life. She married young, raised her children, and dedicated herself to her home. Like many women of her generation, she put everyone else first. But when she reached retirement age, she realized something profound. She had taken care of everyone but herself, and that is when her real life began. In her first 2 years of consistent exercise, she lost over 15 kilograms, regained flexibility she had not felt in decades, and noticed her mood transform completely. She has said, "I became happier with every stretch, every movement. My body changed, but more importantly, my heart changed." As we move through this video, you are going to discover her training secrets, her mindset techniques, her daily routines, and how she maintains such incredible vitality in her 80s and 90s. And I want you to remember, you are not watching this as a spectator. This is about you. And that is why that free 1-year guide is available for you. Because I don't want you to just feel inspired during this video. I want to give you the tools to change your own life immediately after watching. Mika's routine is simple, but deeply powerful. She often begins her day with gentle stretches before she even gets out of bed. She focuses on awakening circulation, loosening the joints, and sending a message to her body that the day will be active. Then she performs standing strength exercises, heel raises to strengthen the calves, gentle squats while holding onto a chair, and controlled arm circles to activate the shoulders and back. These are not intense gym workouts. They are longevity workouts, movements that build stability, protect the joints, and improve blood flow to the brain. One of her most famous quotes is, "You don't stop moving because you get old. You get old because you stop moving." This powerful philosophy is at the core of her teachings. In multiple interviews, she has spoken about the importance of finding joy in movement. She doesn't move to punish her body, she moves to celebrate what it can still do. She says that every drop of sweat is like polishing the soul. This is why her workouts are filled with smiles, laughter, and encouragement. She treats exercise not as a burden, but as a gift, something that gives life rather than takes energy away. At age 87, she became a certified fitness trainer, an achievement that stunned her nation. Most people at 87 are planning their final years quietly. Mika was just getting started. She began teaching classes, sometimes to students 30 years younger than her, and sometimes to students in their 90s. Her classes became so popular that she was featured on NHK, Japan's national broadcaster, and her message spread internationally. The world could not believe what they were seeing, a woman nearing 90 years old doing squats, lunges, and stretches with more enthusiasm than people half her age. Now let's talk about how she eats. Mika follows a traditional Japanese-style diet rich in fish, seaweed, vegetables, fermented foods, and green tea. She avoids overeating, believes in eating slowly, and says that food is fuel, not entertainment. She has stated that the goal is not to eat less, but to eat right. She also emphasizes hydration and the importance of maintaining gut health. In one interview, she mentioned that the gut is the second brain and that digestion impacts mood, energy, and even longevity. Mika also believes in the power of purpose. She says that having something to look forward to each day is more important than any exercise. Purpose gives energy. Purpose gives the will to move. And that is why so many seniors lose vitality, not because their bodies fail, but because they stop feeling needed, excited, and engaged in life. She insists that mental fitness and physical fitness are one and the same. Before I continue, let me remind you, if you are watching this and you are over 60, this message is not just information, it is an invitation. I have created a free one-year health transformation guide based entirely on proven methods like those Mika follows. It is not a crash program. It is a journey of small, joyful, consistent steps designed to rebuild your strength and energy one day at a time. If you are ready to start, not alone, but with a caring community, you can get it below. Mika often says that discipline is not about force. It is about routine. She encourages seniors to create daily movement habits so automatic that the body begins to crave them. Even when she doesn't feel like exercising, she reminds herself of how good she will feel after moving. This mindset, focusing on the reward, not the effort, is one of her greatest secrets. She has repeatedly emphasized in interviews that motivation comes after you start moving, not before. The key is simply beginning. One of the most remarkable things about Mika is that she did not build her strength in a gym. She did it in her living room. She used chairs, walls, and everyday objects to support her exercises. This makes her methods incredibly practical for seniors around the world. For example, she teaches wall push-ups to strengthen the upper body without strain. She uses standing marches to improve circulation and balance. She practices deep breathing exercises to oxygenate the brain. Each movement is purposeful. Each movement is designed for longevity, not aesthetics. She also stresses the importance of posture. According to her, posture affects not only how we look, but how our organs function. When we stand tall, we breathe better, digest better, and even think better. Poor posture compresses the lungs and digestive organs, leading to fatigue and discomfort. Good posture, she says, is a natural medicine. Mika's impact goes far beyond fitness. She has become a symbol of hope. In one powerful speech, she said, "As long as you are alive, you have potential. Do not waste the life you have been given by sitting still." It is this spirit, not just her physical strength, that has made her a global inspiration. Her message is clear. The body is designed to regenerate even in old age when given the right environment: movement, nutrition, joy, and purpose. Now, I want you to imagine what your life could look like one year from today if you adopted these principles. Imagine waking up with energy, standing up without pain, feeling steady on your feet, walking with strength and confidence. This is not a fantasy. This is what thousands of seniors have experienced by following Mika's methods. And that is exactly why I created the free one-year guide. It is my way of giving you the tools, structure, and encouragement to follow the same transformation pathway, not just for a week or a month, but for an entire year. Because real change happens with consistency and support. Mika also speaks openly about emotional health. She believes that exercise is a form of emotional therapy. When we move, we release stress, anxiety, and sadness from the body. She has said that movement helped her overcome loneliness and gave her a sense of excitement each day. She encourages seniors to smile while exercising, not because it is easy, but because smiling sends a signal to the brain that says, "I am choosing life. I am still in this story." In her classes, she often interacts personally with her students, encouraging them by name, celebrating every improvement. She teaches that it is not about perfection, it is about participation. Whether you can do only 5 minutes or 50, what matters is that you show up. She has said that even on days when she feels tired, She reminds herself that movement creates energy, and every time she finishes a session, she feels younger than when she began. Now let me share one of the greatest secrets behind her longevity: oxygen flow. Mika often uses breathing-focused movements to increase blood oxygen, which helps the brain stay sharp and the heart stay strong. She combines slow, controlled inhalations with extended exhalations to calm the nervous system and reduce inflammation. Modern science confirms this. Deep breathing reduces cortisol, improves circulation, and supports overall longevity. We are now entering the heart of what makes her transformation so powerful. Mika didn't just add years to her life. She added life to her years. She found a reason to wake up, a purpose that extends beyond herself. She once said, "If I can help even one person feel hope, then that is why I am still alive." She believes that every person has a mission, no matter their age. At this point in the video, I want to tell you again that you are not alone in this journey. I have seen seniors turn their entire health around in just months by following the same principles Mika lives by. And this is why I keep mentioning the free one-year guide. It is not just a program. It is a pathway to a new chapter in your life. If you have ever thought to yourself, maybe it's too late for me, I want you to erase that thought forever. This is your moment. This is your time to begin. As we near the final part of our exploration into Mika's incredible life, let's look at her legacy. She has trained thousands of seniors, appeared on major television networks, and inspired a movement across Japan. Yet she remains humble. She often says that she is just an ordinary woman who decided to move. She wants everyone to understand that she is not special. She simply made a choice that anyone can make. And this brings us to the most powerful lesson of all. Age is not an excuse. Age is an advantage. Because with age comes wisdom, discipline, patience, and gratitude. Qualities that make transformation even more meaningful. Mika says that seniors have a superpower. They understand the value of time. And when you understand the value of time, you use it well. Now imagine this. You and I together, day by day, step by step, transforming your strength, your mobility, your energy. Not through extreme workouts, but through gentle, consistent routines designed specifically for you as a senior. That is why I created this channel. That is why I read every comment. That is why I respond personally, because this is not just about inspiration, it is about transformation. And I am here to walk beside you, not just for this video, but for the journey ahead, which is why now is the moment. Not tomorrow, not next year, right now. If Takashima Mika could begin in her late 60s and become the strongest version of herself in her 80s and 90s, then imagine what you can do starting today. You have life within you. You have strength waiting to be unlocked, and you are not doing it alone. In the next year, with the free guide I have prepared, we will work together, day by day, with simple exercises, easy nutrition habits, and powerful mindset shifts. You will not just watch change. You will feel it. You will live it. And I will be right here with you, every step of the way. This is not the end of the story. This is the beginning of yours. So if you are ready, join our community by subscribing now. Leave a comment and tell me your age and your goal, because I read every single one, and I will personally support you with additional resources tailored just for you. Together, we will follow the path that Takishima Mika has shown us, a path of strength, joy, movement, and purpose. Because you are not too old, you are perfectly on time, and the best is yet to come.